You've heard about going through detox, whether it's with too much alcohol, nicotine. These days people like to do technology detoxes, prying the cell phones away from kids, family members. Can you actually go for a walk in the park without being tethered to an iPad or a cell phone? That's a challenge for people. Well, I have another challenge for you. Can you detox your own speeches and presentations? Can you get away from an over-reliance on technology? Now, I'm not averse to using technology. I'm using technology right now. Remote controls, lights, cameras, the internet. But keep this in mind. Many of the most important presentations you give in your entire life, there's not going to be any technology around. Important job interviews, there's no technology. Marriage proposals. There's so many really important conversations, presentations you'll have in life where technology just isn't appropriate. So don't be one of these people who says, well, I can't really talk about it unless I have my slide deck or I have this. No. You should be ready to present on anything that's important to you. Any important presentation, you need to take the attitude, you couldn't care less if the projector didn't work or the slideshow didn't work. You've got a great presentation. You can make it understandable to people, make it come alive, make them remember it just by talking to them. The technology should be just an added little extra. It shouldn't be what's most essential. I'm TJ Walker. I help people speak more effectively with and without technology. If you'd like a couple of my free books at no charge, go to MediaTrainingWorldwide.com.